as I told you earlier, we will prepare cash account first, then capital account, then all the personal and other real accounts, normal accounts we'll prepare at the end. So we have Gopal Seth, personal account, debit the receiver and credit the giver rule will apply. Since goods have been sold to Gopal Seth on 6th, his account will be debited to sales account 10,000. On 8th, he returned some goods back, so credit the giver by sales returns account 1,500. On 22nd, he settles part of his account of rupees 5,000. Debit what comes in, debit all expenses losses and credit the giver is a rule applied. Now opposite to credit, there are two debits, cash account and discount allowed account. Both will be posted in his account on the credit side by cash account with the figure of 4850, discount allowed 150, that makes 5,000. We will balance the account, we will find that 10,000 on the debit side is greater than the credit side total of 6,500. So we will balance, it will be 3,500, called the closing balance. On February 1st, bring down the balance, two balance brought down, it will be called opening balance. The next account is the purchases account. On 12th, goods were purchased on credit from Arun and Varun respectively. Purchase account is a normal account, so debit all expenses rule will apply. The posting will be on the debit side. 12th, to Arun 12,000, to Varun 15,000. There are two credits, so both will be posted with the respective figures, so that purchases become 27,000. Then on 28th, goods were withdrawn for personal use by the proprietor. Goods are going out or your expenses are being reduced, so it will be posted on the opposite side on credit side. 28th, by drawings account with the amount of 2,000, not 3,500, because you are preparing purchase account. Balance the account on 31st, your debit is more by 25,000, this will be your closing balance. On February 1st, two balance brought down will be your opening balance. After purchase account, we will prepare the personal accounts of Arun and Varun. Arun is the giver of the goods of 12,000, so credit the giver, posting will be on the credit side on 12th by purchase account, because purchase account is in the debit. Then on 13th, the account was settled by making payment to him of 11,400 and receiving discount of 600. Since the rule is debit the receiver, and in the credit we have two accounts, cash account and discount received account, both will be posted in the debit side of Arun's account. On 13th, to cash account with the respective figure 11,400, to discount received account 600. Now there is no balance left, the account has been settled. Then we have the personal account of Varun, from whom goods were purchased for 15,000. Credit the giver on 12th by purchase account 15,000, then we'll balance, no settlement was done. 31st, two balance carried forward, closing balance. February 1st, opening balance, by balance brought down. Then we have scooter account, asset account. Scooter was purchased, real account, debit what comes in. In the credit we have cash account, cash was paid, so applying the rule, debit what comes in, 17 to cash account 18,000. Balance account 31st January by balance carried forward will be the closing balance. February 1st it becomes the opening balance, two balance brought down 18,000. Then we have the personal account again, called drawings account of the proprietor. On 28th, he had withdrawn goods and cash for personal use. Debit the receiver. In the credit, we have two accounts, so both will be posted here. To purchase account 2,000, to cash account 1,500. On 29th, he had withdrawn cash to pay for his life insurance premium. Again the debit the receiver. In the credit we have cash account. Posting will be on the debit side to cash account 1600. Then balance the account. Debit is more, so balancing will be on the credit side, shorter side. 31st January, buy balance carried forward 5100. February 1st, to balance brought down 5100. We have done with all the personal account and real accounts. Now we will prepare nominal accounts. We have discount allowed on 4th with 1000 rupees. Debit all expense losses, will the rule be applied. On the debit side, we will post 2 sales account, because in the credit we have sales account with rupees 1000. On 16th, again we have discount allowed, debit all expenses. In the credit we have Lalchan, so the posting will be on the debit side to Lalchan with 100 rupees. On 22nd, again we have discount allowed of 150, debit all expenses. Opposite this account, in the credit we have Gopal Seth. We post to Gopal Seth on 22nd 150. Closing balance, buy balance carried forward 1250 on 31st January. On February 1st, bring down the balance. 1250 is called the opening balance. Then we have discount received account. Discount received is the nominal account, credit or incomes and gains. On 13th, discount was received from Arun. Posting will be on the credit side by Arun with rupees 600. When you balance, your credit is more, balancing will be on the debit side. To balance credit forward 600, closing balance. February 1st, opening balance by balance brought down. Then we have wages account and salaries account respectively. Wages account is a nominal account. Debit all expenses, since wages are incurred in cash. On the debit side, 27th, to cash account 7000. Balance by balance carried forward on the credit side, since debit is more. Closing balance 7000. February 1st, opening balance to balance brought down 7000. Similarly, the same manner you prepare salaries account with rupees 3000 to cash account on 27th. By balance carried forward 31st. To balance brought down on February 1st, 3000 respectively. That's all for today.